Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to log in on Dropbox. For that, first of all, open up your Dropbox app on your phone. After you open up your app, you'll see the option of sign in. Tap on it. Now you can sign in with your Google or you can sign in with your email and password. Here I'm going to sign in by typing in my email and my password. After you're done, tap on sign in. If you like to save the password, tap on save password. On Dropbox, you can back up your photos. You can share photos or files. You can scan documents and you can access your file everywhere. For now, I'm going to tap on skip, which is on top right. This way you can easily log in on Dropbox. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.